All right, hey Cellos. So we're going to look at page 6 in our essential elements. And if you look at the very top of page 6, it shows you how to shape your left hand and the notes and the fingers. So you have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Again, we want to shape our left hand kind of like we're holding a glass of water. And so drink your water, drink your milk. Then you just bring it back and you place it behind your hand, or behind the fingerboard. You don't want it to the side so it's peeking out, but you want it right back there. And I like to place it underneath the first finger, kind of close to the second finger. And when we play this first note, you're going to have all 4 of your fingers down. All right. Whenever you have your 4th finger down, you always want to have these 3 fingers. Same with third. Third has these 2 down too. Second has this one down and that one, and the first is just by yourself, because then you can't make a sound with it like that. So we're going to look at number 10. Let's read G. G is going to be on our D string. So find your D string. It's going to be the second thinnest one. You're going to put your left hand down, and you're going to have all 4 fingers down. All right. You want to make sure that you're getting that ring to it. That sounds kind of like that. You don't want to get this kind of punchy sound. You want a ringy sound by pressing through the string, all right, into the fingerboard. Okay. So we're going to say the rhythm of number 10. Let's read G, and it gives you some clue that you really want to start remembering where these notes are on the staff and on your instrument. Okay, so we're going to say the rhythm first. It's just quarter notes and quarter rests, so it's either going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, or it's going to be a sh for the rest. Okay, saying the rhythm first. Ready? Here we go. Now, 1, 2, 3, sh. 1, 2, 3, sh. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Find that G again. And while we're saying the notes, go ahead and finger it. Ready? Go. G, 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 sh. G, 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 sh. G, 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 sh. All right, let's play it. 1 and 2 and ready and go. Rest. 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 Now, in between 10 and 11, there's a little bit of a place called theory, and this is going to tell us what a sharp sign is. So that little hashtag looking thing, it's not a hashtag, it's a sharp sign. And it tells us to raise the note pitch 1/2 of a step. All right? And it's going to do it for the rest of the measure. So if you look at the very first note, it has that little hashtag or sharp sign before the first note, and all the notes that are after it are going to have that, even though they're not there. Same with measure 2, same with measure 3, same with measure 4. The other thing to notice is that it's the same rhythm. So go ahead and finger the F sharp. I like to finger the notes while I'm playing it, so it gives me time to practice it. We're going to say the notes, all right? Ready, steady, go. F, 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 rest. F, 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 rest. F, 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 rest. Now, let's go ahead and play it. So get your F sharp ready. Try to make sure that you have curved fingers. Do you see how mine are kind of a little bit round? And so you want round fingers, you don't want flat fingers, all right? If you have flat fingers, they'll sound like that, all right? You want round fingers. All right, 1, 2, ready, go. Rest. 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 All right. Number 12, liftoff. Now, sometimes I like to kind of point out that the song name kind of gives you a hint of what the song's going to be about. And so right here, liftoff, if you, when you're playing, it's going to change notes. Now, when you change notes from your G to your F sharp, all you're going to do is lift off your pinky. That's it. That's all you have to do. You don't have to lift off your whole hand and then put your F sharp down. You're just going to go from G to F sharp. Let's go and practice that. So show me your G. Show me your F sharp. Play your G. Now play your F sharp. That's all you have to do for it. All right? Now, it's the same rhythm as before. So we're going to say the notes, but we're going to play it twice because at the very end, notice there's a repeat sign. 1, 2, get your G ready. So show me that G. Get your left hand ready with the pizzicato, and let's going to play it. 1 and 2, ready and go. Oh, we're saying it first. I'm sorry, that was my mistake. Ready, go. G, 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 rest. F, 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 rest. G, G, F sharp, G, F sharp, G. All right, let's repeat it. 1, 2, play it with the repeat. Rest, rest. Repeat, go. Rest, rest. Rocking and rolling. We're going to move on and skip number 13, go straight to number 14. Let's read E. And so we're going to add one more note to our instruments. We know our D, which is that open string. We know A, which is that open string. We know G, we know F sharp, and we know E. All right, which is exciting because now we know D, E, F, G, A. Very, very good stuff. All right, so we're going to look at number 14. That's going to be, let's read E. E is going to be with our first finger. All right, and you've guessed it, it's going to be the same rhythm as all the other things that we've been doing, so we're going to skip that. We're going to say the note. Ready, go. E, E, E. Make sure you're holding it. E, E, E. See the circle? E, 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 E. All right, normally when I play, I have my fingers down like this, but I want you to see that there's a nice, beautiful circle. So it's almost like you're doing like an OK sign. Yeah, because we're playing our instrument OK. All right, now we're going to go and pizzicato it. So get your left hand, your right hand ready with your L. Place it on the string, and we're going to pluck it. 1 and 2, and ready, go. Rest, rest, rest. All right, nice. Go ahead and skip number 15, walking down. Oh wait, actually, no, we're not going to do 16. We're only going to go up to 15 today. So 15, walking down. Again, when you're playing and you're going from G to F sharp, you're just going to lift up your fingers. Then from F sharp to E, again, you're going to lift up these fingers. And you're always going to keep this first finger down for these exercises, all right? So go ahead and shape your left hand. And the first thing I'm going to point out is it's a different rhythm. So we're going to say the rhythm before we play it. Second thing I'm going to point out is that there's a repeat sign, okay? While we're saying and the notes and the rhythms, go ahead and practice with your left hand and say, while you're saying it, and say it with me. It's good practice to be able to say your notes. All right, number 15, 1 and 2, and ready and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Sorry, with the repeat, let's say the notes. So start beginning of the repeat, 1 and 2, 15 with the repeat, go. G, G, F sharp, E, E, F, E, E, F, F, G, G, G. All right, now let's go ahead and play our notes. If you want, you can shake it out. Also, if you want to practice it, you can pause it and see if you can practice it before you play it with me. All right, go ahead and get into playing position. So pretend you're having that cup of milk. Bring your left hand up, finger the G natural before we start. See how my fingers are nice and curved? See if you can get the same curved fingers. Left hand with an right hand with an L. Place it on the fingerboard right here. 1 and 2, get ready, steady, go. Rest. Repeat. Rest. Great. Feel free to go back and go over anything else that you're needing to work on for this for these exercises. When we come back, I'd love to hear walking song and lift off. Those are the two that I'm going to be focused on. All right, look forward to hearing you guys soon.